Hi everyone, welcome to another video, 5th grade math. Please go ahead and click the like button so that you do not forget after you finish watching. Today we are converting fractions to decimal, and we're going to just follow a quick method that is just divide the numerator by the denominator. So let's start with the first three: 9 over 10, 69 over 100, and 7 over 100. So for the first three, we're going to use the quick method of dividing by tens and powers of 10. So to divide a decimal by 10 or any power of 10, we move the point to the left. So 9 here is 9 point. Remember, the decimal point in a whole number comes right after the last digit. So the decimal point is right here, and we're dividing by 10, so we're going to move it one place. So it's right there. So we'll move it one place to the left, and now it comes in front of the 9. So 9 over 10 is equal to 0.9. We just place a 0 in front, or we can just leave it as 0.9. Next, 69 divided by 100. We're going to move it two places to the left. So it is 1, 2. So the point comes right here. And that is equal to 0.69. Next, 7 over 100. Two places to the left. 1, 2. The point comes right here. There's no number here, so we just have to put a 0 as a placeholder. So 7 over 100 is equal to 0.07. Let's move on to the next two examples, a quarter and 4/5. So remember the rule, divide the numerator by the denominator. So this one is equal to, 1 numerator divided by the 4, which is a denominator. How many times can 4 go into 1? It's 0 times, and then we're going to put a point and add a 0. How many times can 4 go into 10? That is 2 times. And we multiply 2 times, and then we multiply 2 times 4, 8. And then we subtract, as we do when we're doing the long division. We subtract. It's a decimal, so we continue to add zeros. We're going to add another 0. How many times can... Oh, we forget to put our 2 right here. How many times can 4 go into 20? And that is 5 times. Multiply 5 times 4, 20. Subtract. So let's go over this one since we had forgotten about the 2. So how many times can 4 go into 1? It's no time, so we put a point and we add a 0. How many times can 4 go into 10? And that is 2 times. So we multiply 2 times 4, 8, and then we subtract, and we get 2. We add another 0, and we have 20. How many times can 4 go into 20? And that is 5 times. We multiply 5 times 4, 20, and then we subtract. So a quarter is equal to 0.25. Next, 4/5. Let's put our answer right here. 0.25 instead of right here. Okay. Four fifths. Again, it's numerator divided by denominator. How many times can 5 go into 4? It's no time, and we put a point and add a 0. How many times can 5 go into 40? And that is 8 times. 8 times 5, 40. Subtract. So 4/5 is equal to 0.8. Next, 1/3. 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3. How many times can 3 go into 1? It's no time, so we put a point and add a 0. How many times can 3 go into 10? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, we get 1. How many times, and we added another 0. We keep adding zeros. How many times can 3 go into 10? 3 times. 3 3s 9. And you notice already that this is a pattern that is going to continue. Let's go to the 1000. Add another 0. And then it's 3 times. 9. We subtract and we have 1. But we're going to just stop at the 1000. So our answer, we can write it as 0.33, or we can just round it to the nearest hundredth. So it's equal to 0.333, or it could be 0.33. If we're rounding it to the nearest hundredth, we look to the 1000 and it's less than 5, so the rounding digit remains the same. Or you can also write that the 3 continues. Just put a bar over it, but this is our answer right here. Next, 3/8. The same. I'm gonna divide numerator by denominator. Numerator is 3, denominator 8. How many times can 8 go into 3? 0 time. Put a point, add a 0. How many times can 8 go into 30? 3 8s, 24. Subtract, we get 6. Add a 0. How many times can 8 go into 60? And it's 7. Multiply, 7 8s, 56. Subtract, we get a 4. And we're gonna add, we continue adding zeros. How many times can 8 go into 40? And that is 5 times. 5 times 8, 40. And we're done. So 3/8 is equal to 0.375. 0.375. And there you have it. 9 over 10, 0.9. 69 over 100, 0.69. 7 over 100, 0.07. A quarter, 0.25. 4/5, 0.8. 1/3, 0.33, or round it to the nearest hundredth, 0.33. And 3/8, 0.375. 0.375. And I hope you find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.